What is up, guys? It is Noah WX here. We are going to look at some tornado footage. Hey. We are going to look at some tornado footage of yesterday's maybe tornado outbreak. There were a lot of tornadoes I saw. Then we may look at not tomorrow, day 3 outlook using the SPC. Okay, so as you can see there, that was an extremely dangerous system. It's still going on today. Unfortunately, I cannot stream it because YouTube decided to ban me. Yeah, I know, it's stupid. We are going to look at the SPC outlook, so I will be right back after this short break. For me, it would be a short break, but for y'all, it'll just be a second piece. Okay, and we are back. I know, a short break for y'all. Looking at the SPC, the main people that are going to be in the enhanced risk is Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Tulsa, Wichita, Madison, Wisconsin, Wichita, Kansas, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. If we look at the probabilistics, I cannot talk. It looks like the main threat could be wind, and we hope that's the main threat because we don't want more tornadoes. Actually, we hope the main threat is hail because you can stay safe from hail. But the 30% risk area is Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Tulsa, Wichita, and Madison. And the significant one area is the same thing as the 30% risk area. I cannot stress this enough. Please be safe. Please be safe. I can't stress that enough. Please be safe. Alright, so I'm going to end this recording. Jesus loves you. Stay safe and spread the gospel. Peace. Hang on. This is Noah Weather X, keeping you safe and the people who love you safer.